Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to understand how to automate the process of sending a follow-up email after a demo is completed for a lead. Sending a timely follow-up email after a demo plays a vital role in maintaining engagement and moving the lead further along the sales cycle. It helps acknowledge their participation, reinforces the key points discussed during the demo, and provides the next steps, ensuring the conversation doesn't go cold. I have already created a configuration flow for this process. Let's open the automation flow to see how it's structured. This automation should be triggered whenever a lead status is updated. For that, I'm using the From Object trigger node. In its configuration, I've selected the dynamic object type and chosen the leads object, setting the record event to updated. This ensures the automation is triggered each time a lead's record is updated, specifically when the status changes to indicate the demo completion. Next, I've used the if value node to check whether the lead status has been updated to demo completed. Once the demo is done, the agent updates this status manually, and I want the system to verify this condition automatically. To configure this, I selected Object under the Object or List option, chose the Leads object, selected the lead status field, and set the validation parameter as isDemoCompleted. The if value condition node then branches into two flows, yes and no. If the condition is yes, it means the lead's demo has been completed, and the system should now identify the customer's email address to send the acknowledgement email. To do this, I use the people node. In this node, I selected customer as the people type since the email is intended for the customer who attended the demo. I then chose the leads object as the source and selected the email ID field so that the system automatically retrieves the customer's email address from the corresponding lead record. Once the recipient is identified, the content of the email is configured using the message file node. Here, the message type is set to email. I selected my business email address as the sender and chose the email template to be sent after the demo. In this case, I used a pre-saved template titled Next Steps After Our Demo Session. This template can be created and customized in the email template section. If you want to learn how to do that, you can check out the link provided above or in the description. After configuring the message file, the flow ends with the end node, completing the automation. In the no path of the if value node, which means the lead status is not set to demo completed, no email is triggered, and the flow ends immediately. This entire setup ensures that whenever a lead status is updated to demo completed, the system automatically validates the change, retrieves the customer's contact details, and sends a professional follow-up email acknowledging their participation in the demo session. That's it. This is how you can easily automate sending a follow-up email after the demo is completed using the Office 24 by 7 automation flow.